To all my peoples on the streets, we all gotta eat.
To all my niggas in the struggle, we all gotta bubble.
Sons is nameless, bustin' stainless steel and living dangerous.
Packing extra clips with bullets
No
in
doubt,
the
son,
chambers.
we're flowing like the wind, mighty like Quinn. When right in your deli friend, famous like Leviathan. Alrighty then, that backstreet nigga from Rockaway. Put your Glock away, X-ray visions through lingerie. Pop the Andre while I'm moving at a velocity. Animosity, acid cash is my philosophy. Everyone you can't trust, cause you'll get bust. Plus you can't only blast me, you got to blast us. Drastic measures, getting the treasure as well as my pleasure in textures. And along with what it brings, above the lust, love and trust is two different things. All in this New York cesspool, cash rules, suits and capsules. Things that lead to ill street blues and news.
Remember this, time on that clock never stop. Sit around and watch, cause the knowledge is all I got. Set my plans and plot to see how hot shit could get. Living off the books, my whole style is illegit. Ready to spit murder slugs, point blank. Got niggas mugs to be the ones that shake your hand and give you hugs from funny faces, different places, police chases. Got niggas in the crib on their knees saying they graces. From right or wrong, is what you feeling in my song. Life goes on, from dusk to dawn, word is born. Let's get it on, I be in my hustling domain. 40 projects, 4 stories is still the same. Who's to blame? When niggas dying to get a name, I maintain, smoke weed and sling cane.
All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain. All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain.
I'm affiliated with killers, got pillars, $100 billers, drug dealers for willers, strictly the illest Buddha heads, copping outside from the dreads. Eyes red when we conspire, desire, making up plots to retire when necessary. Trip out of military, never worry, ready to bury smoke. I'm like I stimulate, discriminate, and recreate inferior, superior reactions with attractions, causes distraction, mission in action when I start clapping.
Going hand in hand until I see 100 grand for snitches and stick up kids. I pack tools just like the handyman. Watch for crooked cops that's setting up on the back blocks. Serve things nickels to 35 glass to black tops. Making cheese because I hustle with consistence. Reincarnate clientele and bring it to existence. Try to get with this, niggas that get burnt like incense. Fill your ass up with hot rocks from point blank distance. Strapped like Fretro, niggas is petrol. I can't be imitated like Rexos. A block away you hear the echo. Dead on arrival, parts I hit on your body is vital. Run the dough, I got to eat. It's all about survival. Don't look me straight in the eyes, I have you hypnotized, mesmerized on this fucking microphone. R.I.Z. terrorized, so I advise you to stop rotting on my nuts. Fuck around and get bust. Hard rocks get turned to dust.
All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain. All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain.
Check the consequences of a menace that's in us with heaters. Street sweepers, heat seekers, you feel defeated when we rock flows. Got back ass so we can mop those fake ass cats. We drop those when I rock flows like Alpo. We live in kingpins, committing sins, spitting Mac 10s, sticking and moving to get some ends. Tribulations and trials, made vows and chose rough roads. Went from apes to push your weight across, they by the loads up in the Lex. Play your mode while we stroll down the Ave. The chicks in the backseat getting ripped, that's why they laugh. I feel the wrath when we come correct with life or death shit. Street connect lit, we wreck shit on some next shit. Bars got dealt, lay back with the burner, smoking a blunt for Delta shit. I felt these cats is trying to stick me for my wealth. The situation's deep. We on the corner, nigga crept up on us with the heat. 9's 4 pounds to lift you off your feet.
All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain. All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain. All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain. All up in the game, but still remain the same. It's hard to maintain, cause most of that joy is filled with pain. Filled with pain. All up in the game, all up in the game.